Libra. This is your channel messages for the 15th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Libra, this is your channel song.
Jerusalem, Jerusalem, Master Keji, Jerusalem, 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 Ikanalami, ni longozu, benami, no dentalana. Ni lonzazo umabinami lana aku ilongazo. Wow, my African princess, I just love the way you look. I just can't wait to go home and enjoy some fufu. I would love to go home and enjoy fufu too, because I'm not Africa, I'm from Jamaica. Oh, wow, my Nigerian queen. How does it feel to have my feet laid up in the couch and make you need some nice fufu? I don't know how it feels. Maybe both of us could get an African girl to come into the house and maybe see how it feels to put our foot up to see how it is to make fufu. Oh, my African, my Nigerian princess. Tell me, does your parents accept goats and cows as a dowry payment? I don't know, come from Jamaica. Them accept Birkin bag and check. Ninami, nikata, nikalana, nisumami, akunayonane, nilongazu, unami, nami. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Okay, let's great, Libra. Let's go. Woo! Let's go into your reading. First card out is we have the Eight of Swords, Libra. Okay, so I'm getting entrapment. You feel trapped or you feel stuck. Not sure what's happening, Libra. The Sun card. Okay, I'm getting someone's happiness is leading. Okay, my kind of getting is either. Is it that somebody have to be trapped for you for be happy? And if you're happy, that also means that there's someone else that's not doing good. Now, this could also be something about happiness. Why are you so happy? You don't, I mean, aren't you tied up? Aren't you like, you can't see? Aren't you stuck? But there's something about why is it that you're happy? Well, think about it. If you couldn't walk, if you never have no hand or you did blind, does that make room for you to be depressed? Are you more susceptible of being a depressive person and wanting to commit suicide if you never born with a vision, if you wasn't born with vision? If you did born deaf? Does it make you more, you want to get rid of yourself from this planet because you feel depressed? Or do you just learn to not live with sight? You learn to not live with hearing. You learn to not use the senses that was taken away from you when you were a child. I'm getting something was taken away from you when you were a child, Libra, or something about this African child. I'm getting somebody stuck. I'm getting you stuck, Libra, or something about this baby stuck, okay? Or this could be a Leo. We have the Six of Wands. A lot of praise though. I'm getting for somebody who is stuck, you're pretty happy. For someone who is trapped, you're pretty supported. So this could either be, Libra, why are you so happy when you don't have a reason to be happy? What do you mean I have no reason to be happy? Where is your Quran? What do you mean there's not a reason to be happy? We have a life. From we have a life, there's a reason to be happy. There's a reason to smile. Maybe that's what it is. Somebody for just go missing, depressed, and just fall off. When we're getting something about happiness or something about, I don't know. Me getting no matter what you do, Libra, you cannot take. I don't know if you're supposed to. Libra, if the deed was to never make somebody reach their full potential and to never make somebody wanted to be in the media, in the spotlight, Libra, me getting I lose that bet. Me getting a year job to make sure somebody refrain from the spotlight. And me getting, even though you have somebody trapped to a T, me getting find still I find them. So I don't know what this is. And we have a chariot. Oh, and the police found them too. Me getting something about a cancer. Or something about the fans, something about a lot of black people, something about black kids, Leo. I'm also getting something about a lot of black kids being like TV, like something about a camera in a somebody's house and a bare black kids you're seeing. Now, I don't know if the kids them come from African countries, but I'm getting something about the kids. I'm getting something about the mothers are African and the kids them African too. Or the kids them not speak English. And something about the house where the kids them live in. I'm getting something is being videoed or recorded. Or something about this kid, something about this child, this little baby, or something about the fact that you ain't supposed to be doing that well mentally when physically you're trapped. Okay? We have the Knight of Wands, one more, and we have the Page of Swords. Or me getting a Knight of Wands is trying to see if I'm getting something about this pregnancy. One pregnancy. No, it could have been said that you lost the baby. I don't think you lost the baby. I think somebody said that you were pregnant in order for hide you for a certain amount of time. But me getting a cancer find you, somebody else find you. Me getting something where you thought somebody was pregnant. Or something about you thought somebody was dating this African guy. There's something about this African guy. He might be a police officer. I don't know why I get this. I'm getting something about this African guy who not leave you alone because you won't have a baby. Jerusalem in on maison. And we have the Five of Swords. Yeah, I'm getting something about you getting pregnant for this guy. Could be an African guy, could have been this black guy. Or, I don't know if I'm getting something about a police officer. Something about a police officer, right? So I'm getting either you hide a baby from somebody or you're trying to figure out why someone's mental health is not declining or decreasing while they're not doing well around them. They're trapped, they're stuck, them don't have a way out. Why are you happy? Why did Jesus give his life to save y'all from the blood clot sins? We're not fornicating every day. Why did Jesus go? Why waste him clot blood? Why you waste Jesus' blood? Him do all of that just so you to come out the way you out, judging people the way you want to judge people, being greedy as fuck. What the fuck Jesus did, you know? You cannot say Jesus died for your sin, because you still commit blood clot sin, and you're committing sin consciously. Jesus Christ did not die for your sins. He probably died for his, not yours. So I love sacrifice so people blood clot. From the fucking Bible teacher that don't? Okay, Jesus Christ died for his sins in front of the people. Him did go through fame blood clot karma. He didn't die for yours. He didn't die for the people's sins. Him died for fame one. So I don't know. Maybe that's why somebody's so happy no matter how much you trap them. Because they're willing for dead to feed them sin. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. No, some of these. We have F them all. We have use protection. Yeah, because there's a baby here. So I'm getting, yeah. You feel like you're in love, I've been there before. I got there last year on a tour. Say him won't feel me. Raw, me say no, you're mad. You make another girl breed for you. Hey, yeah, I'm getting something like that. Cancer, again, I'm getting something about a cancer, something about this baby. You were supposed to get pregnant for this cancer, man. Something like that. Well, I'm getting either every time you're having to them, or I'm getting something about you keep a put on a condom. And apparently, you're being spited because you won't have a baby, you won't get pregnant yet. You keep a put on a condom with this man and can't get inside of you, and that's a fucking issue. The fuck? You don't get to no see why you think God prefer you so all expense paid. You better pay all the fucking expenses if you want any type of argument. I'm getting here all expense paid something about a cancer. One cancer tell us say your man if you get pregnant. You're stuck now, you don't have a way out now. Okay, if you get pregnant, we'll just pay all the expenses. I don't know if this is a security, somebody who work in a security or whatever. Because they're very popular among people. Me getting a better strap up your ear. The only way why this person wants a baby from me is to trap you. Nothing else. It's not because they want to be a father. Believe me, they don't have time to do that. I feel like somebody wants to spite you. Or something about them don't want this black guy getting pregnant. Some weird shit like that. Or they want to get you pregnant before the guy who like you come towards you. Because everybody know he ain't gonna take care of another man's baby that don't want you. But I'm getting that's not going to happen. So I guess the efforts was in vain. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.